Welcome to Maths Lesson 7, focusing on mastering short division. Let's get started. We are cracking the code with the bus stop method. Before we dive in, let's review what we already know about division. Remember, your times tables are the engine of division. Division is also multiplication in reverse. And finally, when numbers don't fit perfectly, the leftovers are called remainders. The bus stop setup is used for short division. The dividend, or big number, goes inside the house. The divisor is outside waiting. We always work from left to right, starting with the largest place value. Let's walk through an example. 432 divided by 3. First, see how many times 3 goes into 4. It goes once with 1 left over, which we carry over. Then, 3 goes into 13 4 times, with a carryover of 1. Finally, 3 goes into 12 4 times. The answer is 144. Now, let's solve 545 divided by 5 together. First, 5 goes into 5 once. Next, for the zero trap, 5 goes into 4 0 times, so write 0 and carry the 4. Finally, 5 goes into 45 9 times. The result is 109. To recap, set up with the divisor outside and dividend inside, work left to right, carry on any extra to the neighbor, and always use a 0 placeholder if the divisor won't go into a digit. Great job today! You are now ready for the next video. Here are some practice problems for you to complete. There are sections for easy and hard levels. Pause the video now to work on them. Here are the answers for Lesson 1, covering both the easy and hard problems. Review your work and see how you did. Welcome to Maths Lesson 8. We'll be continuing our work with division. Here are new practice problems for you to try for Lesson 8. Again, you have easy and hard options. Pause the video and challenge yourself. You can find the answers for the Lesson 1 problems here. Check your calculations and review any you got incorrect.